In this video, we'll show you what to do if some or all of your contacts are missing from your Samsung Galaxy phone. Step 1. Restore contacts from Samsung Cloud. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Tap on Restore Data. Select your device from the list. Uncheck everything, then check the Contacts box only. Tap Restore. Wait for your phone to complete the restoration, then tap Done. If you see a prompt, just tap Later. Now go to the Contacts app and check if your contacts have been restored. Step 2. Sync contacts with Google account. Open Settings again and go to Accounts and Backup. Tap Manage Accounts. Select your Google account from the list. Tap Sync Account. Tap the three-dot icon at the top right and select Sync Now. Make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on. Wait a few moments, then open the Contacts app to check again.